Philip and Professor Iman.
What's up?
And right here, you can see
That's Mr. Dr.
We have-
Patrick T.
4 unknowns, and we are testing.
Professor Patrick. We're
We're
testing
testing for starch, lipids, proteins, and sugars.
and simple sugars.
This one is unknown 1. This is unknown 2. This is unknown 3. This is unknown 4.
What we're trying to figure out today is what organic molecule these substances have.
We have Biarets, we have Lugol's, we have Benedict's, and we have Sudan.
Biuret tests for protein. Lugol's tests for starch, so complex sugars. Benedict's tests for simple sugars, like glucose or fructose, for examples. And the last one, Sudan, tests for lipids.
Welcome back,
This is
Emad
and Phillips
Biolab World. Notice this solution. Any guesses what it is? If you didn't guess by Benedict's reagent, then you're wrong. So you suck. But I'm just kidding. You don't suck. Cool kids. Here we have Benedict's reagent mixed with distilled water. Okay? So notice this is a diluted substance of the Benedict's reagent. This is the more concentrated. Okay? That's straight Benedict's reagent. Here we have glucose. Now, why does it look this color? Because the Benedict's reagent reacted with the glucose. Benedict's reagent tests for simple sugars, glucose being one of the major ones. So notice the murky, kind of brown orangish color. That's our test control, our control substance. Yeah. So basically, after we mix the substances, we took a beaker, put our test tubes in there, and boiled the water of this beaker. Okay. This is unknown substance number 1. After boiling, looks like it reacted. You tell me. There's a slight difference in color. Professor Phil? Similar. So we can say comfortably that this is a positive test control. Unknown substance number 1 contains glucose. Compare these two. Notice that this almost the same color as this.
Orangish color.
Off by a little.
Yeah.
Orangish color. After boiling, the Benedict's reagent, that's how it works. By boiling, then it reacts. We can tell that unknown substance number 2 contained glucose.
It's like a good old-fashioned carrot juice
Carrot juice, but not really carrot juice.
or V8.
Or V8. Gotta have a V8. Here we see unknown substance number 3. Notice the color. It looks like Benedict's reagent. Glucose, unknown substance number 3. Glucose, unknown substance number 3. So if this is definitely containing glucose, okay, definitely containing simple sugars, we can tell that this is reacted positively. This different color, negative result.
You ever eat soup? With meat in it?
Professor Philip, your verdict on unknown substance number 4? No. Okay. It may be hard to see, but this test tube contains a slight blue color, reminiscent of the Benedict's reagent. We can tell, negative test result.
Oh wait, no, ours is.
Welcome back
To Philip and Iman's
Biolab World!
Like, is this something I should be recording? Is it gonna change?
Alright,
2 milliliters of water.
Here we have a solution of Lugol solution and water. Okay, plain distilled water. We have 60 drops, about 3 milliliters, as compared to 10 drops of the reagent, Lugol solution. Lugol solution tests, as you can see there, just fill up. Lugol solution tests for complex sugars such as starch. Okay. Here we have, oh wow, a starch reaction to the Lugol solution. Notice the color change. Okay, this is just water, so it's kind of diluted Lugol solution. Notice the color change. This is starch. We know that this is starch. We know this is our test subject, or not our test subject, but our control. So we can see this is what something with starch would look like when reacting with Lugol solution.
It shows that there are complex carbohydrates.
Delicious.
Just take it with my digital camera and they have it. When they're
Compare unknown substance number 1.
when they're done, they have my camera.
Doesn't look like starch. Okay, so we can see that this is a negative test. Unknown substance 1 does not contain starch.
So now we have 2. How much is this? 2 mils.
We move along
So,
to test tube number 2, unknown substance number 2. As we can see,
still looking for
the colors are similar.
making sure I'm
Okay, almost actually the same. You should see something like this. You can see that this unknown substance number 2 contains starch. Here we have unknown substance number 3. Starch, unknown substance number 3. Now you tell me. Does it have starch? Professor Philip? Does it have starch?
It does not.
No starch.
that's water, right? With the yellowish hue.
Finally, we come to unknown substance number 4. Professor Philip, your verdict?
And we have no starch.
No starch. No starch. Negative test.
What?